Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with a new video which is all about how to change your desktop wallpaper and how to customize terminal. I'm using Elementary OS which is also Debian based. So let's get started. First, open up your browser which is Mozilla for me. So I'm going for the Naruto wallpaper. You can download anything you want as a wallpaper from any site. Just if you want to get the same wallpaper, just go to the link provided below. Now just click on the download button, then save file and save the wallpaper. Now we are going to install gnome-tweak-tool, which is used to tweak the genome. So we will write sudo apt install gnome-tweak-tools. Now just enter your password for your installation. Now it's gonna be installed. Just hit yes. So it's installed. Just open up the tool, write gnome-tweaks. Now to change the wallpaper, just click and choose your new wallpaper from where you have downloaded it, and done. You have successfully changed your wallpaper. So as the wallpaper have changed, now you can do many stuff with this software, and you can change many settings like I see power options, keyboard, startup applications and windows to customize your whole genome environment. Now let's change the appearance of our terminal. Just close gnome-tweak-tools and open up the terminal. Let me go to edit, then we have to go to preferences, then we need to create a new profile. Just name it anything. I'm naming it demo. Now make this profile as your default. Now we're going to tweak it. First, unselect the tab, use color from system theme, then change the color to the choice you want. I'm going for the red, slightly pinkish red. Yeah, select it. Then you need to change the text. So you click on custom text, then select. I'm going for Takaminsho bold italic or just bold. Just change the size and you are done. Now restart your terminal, press Ctrl Alt T, and there you are. The font and color has been changed. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share, comment and most importantly subscribe to my channel Devils 9x.